join us here at Septa. Thank you so much and congratulations to all of you. Congratulations to all of you for making it this far. I mean, we had over 1,000 plus applicants, and the fact that you're here indicates that you made it. You made it, and we are very happy to have all of you here. Thank you so much. You can comment where you're watching, joining us from. Yes, I see all of you. I see your hi. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much. Yes, I see Lagos. Yes, yes. You can also drop your names. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much. If you're yet to join the Slack channel, please do so. And remember to turn on your notification button so as to get informed on next section, next class, and next onboarding calls. Thank you so much once again for joining. Thank you so much. We are glad that you made it. We are happy, we are elated to have you all here. I mean, you don't know, the selection process was a lot. It was rigorous and it was tough, but you made it. So we are really, really happy and glad to have you here, to have you on this call. Thank you so much once again. So my name is Septa and I'm going to run you through what Septa is about, what we stand for, what Septa Academy is all about, and what you're going to be gaining in this cohort class. Thank you so much for joining once again. So I'm quickly going to share my screen, and I want you to drop a hi in the comment section if you can see my screen. Okay. Please drop a hi in the comments section if you can see my screen. Please drop a hi in the comment section if you can see my screen, please. Yes, please. I need to see the highs. Yes, I see them coming in. Okay. Thank you so much and welcome to Septa Academy. Thank you so much for joining us on this call. We are glad you made it this far. And what is Septa Academy? We are a dynamic team of tech enthusiasts, developers, designers, and visionaries, united by a common purpose to shape the future of technology. I mean, that's very simple to understand. We're very unique in finding solutions to tech problems, and we are here to always solve problems in a very unique way. Yes. That is what Septa is about. Welcome to Septa Academy, all of you. Thank you so much. Now, moving on to Septa Academy. What is Septa Academy? Septa Academy is an innovative online learning platform revolutionizing tech education. So here in Septa, we offer a wide range of industry relevant courses from their foundational level to their advanced level. We go from scratch to the advanced level, from bottom, we go from foundation to advanced levels of courses. And through our Septa learning management system, that is the LMS, students can enroll seamlessly. You can enroll seamlessly in courses, and you can track your learning progress. You can know how far you've gone in a course through our learning management system. That is our Septa LMS. And also, we are committed to staying ahead of industry trends. We always ensure that we are committed to updating our curriculum here in Septa Academy. We make sure that we are up to date with our curriculum, our teaching curriculum, so as to reflect current tools that are being used in the industry, current technologies that are being used in the industry. So I assure you that here in Septa, before you leave, you are going to be well equipped. You're going to be well equipped with real world tech roles. You're going to go into the tech world as professionals. I assure you that, because that is what we offer. We are always updated. You're going to go into the tech world with you're going to go into the tech world equipped. You're going to go there as pros. We ensure that our students go into the real world equipped. So I'm going to formally welcome all of you to Septa. Now, on behalf of the entire team, I would like to extend a warm welcome to all of you, our outstanding scholarship awardees. Your dedication, your hard work, and passion have set you apart, and we are thrilled to have you as part of our community. Like I said earlier, we are very glad that you made it. We are very happy that you are here. So now this is not just a scholarship for you. This is not just a scholarship for you. It is an opportunity to learn. It is an opportunity to grow. This is an opportunity for you to make a lasting impact. And we believe in your potentials here in Septa. We look forward to seeing you thrive, and together we will continue to innovate, achieve milestones, and create a brighter future. So what I'm doing here today, I'm going to be sharing more information about how we'll be supporting you throughout your academic career, what resources you have access to, and how you can get involved with. But beyond all of this formality, we want you to feel empowered, and we want you to feel ready to take on new challenges. And always remember, have it at the back of your mind that Septa is here for you. We are here to guide you every step of the way. Congratulations to you once again, and welcome to Septa Academy. By now, I'm supposed to be seeing yay in the comment section. Yeah. Thank you so much. So, guys, the future is technology. We all know that the money now is in technology. There's no doubt about that. We know that the money, I'm sure some of us, we are here because we are sure about that. We know that the future is technology. So by 2050, every aspect of the world, every aspect, I mean, 2050 is even far, but by 2050, every aspect of the world will have tech in it. The health industries, the entertainment industries, the governments, the schools, even in agriculture. Tech will be integrated in all of the aspects of the world. And now that we're having this call, now is the best time to be part of this great future. We already know that there's money in it, and it's oil money. So now is the best time to be part of this great future. And that's why we are happy that you are here. That's why we're happy that you've taken this bold step with Septa Academy. You've taken this bold step by joining this cohort, trying to learn and impact yourself. So, with this understanding, we know you're going to answer this question. Do you want to be the one shaping this future, or are you just going to watch this future unfold? Are you going to watch this future unfold, or are you going to be part of the people shaping it, eating the money and shaping it? I already know what the answer is because you are here and we are glad. So thank you so much once again for wanting to do this, wanting to go through this journey with Septa Academy. Thank you once again. Okay, so moving forward, I'm going to just show you a few of our success stories. We have a lot. We have a lot of success stories. I mean, but I'm just going to show you a few of our success stories. So this one now I'm going to read is from Michael Akinde. 3 years ago, Michael Akinde was a struggling youth copper in Lagos with no tech knowledge. His dream of working in technology seemed impossible until he received the Septa Academy scholarship and enrolled in a software development course. Through structured mentorship, hands-on projects, and global networking, he mastered programming. Within a year, he secured a remote internship with South Africa tech company, which led to a contract role as a software engineer. I mean, just look at someone with no tech background. He didn't know anything about tech, but because he got a scholarship with Septa Academy, he was able to secure a job. Guys, this could be us. This could be you. This could be you. This could be you. So here we have Aisha Bello. Aisha Bello had always been a natural organizer, but without formal training. She'd struggled to land a career in project management. When she received the Septa Academy scholarship, she took a bold step and enrolled in the project management course. She mastered Agile and Scrum, gaining practical experience through real-world projects. Equipped with these skills, she secured her first role as a project coordinator in a top Nigerian firm. Her expertise and confidence grew, leading to a remote job with a UK-based multinational. Now managing global teams, Aisha's journey proves that the right training can turn potential into international success. Guys, look at this. And next we have Tomi Fadoju. Tomi never saw herself in tech, thinking it was only for programmers. With a sociology background, she felt out of place until she discovered how businesses rely on agile workflows and collaboration to succeed. Through the Septa Academy scholarship, she learned Scrum fundamentals, sprint planning, and stakeholder management, gaining hands-on experience in real-world projects. By the end of the program, Tomi confidently applied her skill and landed a role as a Scrum Master at a fast-growing e-commerce company. Her journey proves that Scrum is for anyone ready to lead and drive impact in today's digital world. Wow. Next, we have Tomilola Bankole. After graduating with a degree in agri engineering, Tomi felt lost. He had no clear career paths and struggled to find opportunities that aligned with his skill. The job market was tough and he didn't know where to start. Everything changed when he discovered Septa Academy scholarship and enrolled for business analysis class. Through hands-on training, he learned how to bridge the gap between business needs and technology. With a strong portfolio and newfound confidence, Tomi landed a role as a business analyst, working on global products that impact millions. Now, Tomilola Bankole confidently drives business decisions on global products through turning his journey from confusion to impact. Guys, I can read testimonials like the whole day and will not leave here. But these are just few of the testimonials that we have and we can display now. So you can see that these people, they don't even, most of them, they didn't even have a tech background. They just got the scholarship and they maximize the opportunity. They maximize the opportunity. So you can also be one of them. You can also be here. Your testimony can also be part of this. We can also put your testimonies here. So with your commitment and dedication to this scholarship, you can also be like Tomilola Bankole or Tomi Fadoju or Aisha Bello or any of us here in Septa Academy. So moving forward, I'm going to run you through Septa programs. What programs do we offer here in Septa? So here in Septa, we offer project management, software development, business analysis, software testing. So these are some of the courses that we offer here in Septa Academy. So, and I'm going to run you through what you're going to be learning on any of the courses, whatever one that you choose, what you're going to be learning. So with project management, you're going to be learning introduction to project management, traditional project management, agile project management, Scrum, Tool, Jira, and Confluence. So now I know that some of us will be asking, who are project managers? Who are project management for? So if you're an individual that you love to lead projects, if you find yourself loving to lead things, organize things, and help teams succeed, you love to see yourself organizing things, organizing programs, you love to help people succeed, you like to manage people, this course is a perfect fit for you. You don't necessarily have to know how to code. You don't need to know how to code. You just need to know how to organize things, lead projects, manage people, put people together, manage them, manage projects, and see that they succeed. This course is a perfect fit for you. So next, we have software development. So for this course, you're going to be learning HTML, CSS, CSS animation and transitions, JavaScript, DOM manipulation project. So again, you ask who are software developers, who is software development for. So if this part is for those who want to build and create with code. If you always want to be part of the team that build apps, you want to build anything that you just find yourself wanting to build something, you want to create apps, software, websites, it can be anything with code, then this part is for you. It might seem very difficult at first, but trust me, with our tutors and how we teach, you are going to come out well equipped. And trust me, this particular course is one of the most rewarding courses in the tech industry. It is one of the most rewarding courses in the tech industries. And with your commitment and dedication to it, you're going to come out great. So moving forward, we have business analysis. So now in this course, you'll be gaining high sought after technical skills, which include introduction to business analysis, enterprise analysis, business process analysis, data analysis and modeling, automation frameworks, and best practices. So now for business analysis, it's for individuals who love asking why. You find yourself asking why every time. Why is this chair looking like this? Why is this table like this? It can be better. We can do this better. We can do it this way. We can always, you find yourself asking why are things the way they are, they can be better. And you always find better ways to do things. If you fall into this category of people, business analysis is the best fit for you. And it's also a good route for people with business and communication background. If you studied business or communication, this is also a best fit for you. So moving forward to QA testing, that's software testing. You're going to be learning introduction to software testing, software development life cycle, manual testing, API testing. Now, QA is a perfect fit for detail-oriented people. If you're detail-oriented, if you're someone that likes, oh, this is how they said this thing should function, this is how they said this thing should work, you ensure that this is how it works. It works just like they said. Now, this is for you. If you're detail-oriented, this course is for you. You don't have to know how to code so much. You don't have to know how to code deeply, but you have to have an idea of how software behaves. You must have an idea of how software behaves for you to be a QA engineer. So if you find yourself in the category of people who are detail-oriented, then QA is for you. Okay. Now moving forward to Septa ground rules. Now we take our ground rules very seriously. It is very important to us here in Septa Academy. And I'm just going to list out the ground rules that we have so that you can assimilate them. So first, we have punctuality. Punctuality is key. Always join sections on time to avoid disruption. So we do not want you coming to class late. We do not tolerate lateness to class here in Septa Academy. It is a no-no for us. So make sure that you're on time for every section, for every class, you're always on time. So we do not tolerate lateness. Active participation. So here we expect you to engage in discussions, ask questions, and contribute meaningfully. We expect that you ask questions in class. If you're confused, ask questions. We expect also that you engage in discussions and contribute meaningful things, meaningfully. That's what we expect from you. So respect and professionalism. Treat instructors and fellow participants with respect. Now, we do not condone disrespect here in Septa Academy. We do not, and we will not condone disrespect here in Septa Academy. We expect you to treat our instructors with respect. If you have anything to say it with respect. Everybody, even to your fellow participants, respect is what we expect from you. So we have assignments and tasks. So we expect that you complete all assigned tasks and projects as required. You are to complete all of your assigned tasks and projects as required. It is very, very important that you do so here in Septa Academy. No distractions. Keep your microphone muted when not speaking and avoid unnecessary background noise. Please, if you do not have anything to say, always ensure that your microphone when you're in class is muted. And if you want to speak, if you want to say something or ask questions, please also ensure that your background is not noisy so that it doesn't cause distraction in the class. Now, consistent engagement. Regularly check updates, materials, and announcements on Slack. Now, that's very, very important. We need you to turn on your Slack notifications so as to get notified on any updates that we have and any material that we need to share, announcements. It is very, very important that you engage on those notifications. So please, that is very, very important here in Septa Academy. Use the right channels. So direct all class-related inquiries to the appropriate platform or instructor. That's the Slack channel. That's the appropriate channel that we use here in Septa Academy. If you have anything, any confusion, you can direct it through the Slack channel that we have. Or if you're unable to attend a session due to an unavoidable emergency, please send an email to johnson@septasoftware.com at least 24 hours before the scheduled class. Now, that is very, very important. If for any reason you are unable to attend the class, please make sure that you send a message 24 hours at least. That is the least we expect. So send the message 24 hours before the scheduled class so that we can keep that in record. Now, access to the next training session will not be granted if you fail to complete all assessments. All assessments must be attempted before the specified due date. Now, that is very, very important. I mean, if you do not complete all of your assessments, you are not going to be granted access to the next training section. That is very, very important. So we expect that you go through this ground rules and pay close attention and ensure that you do not fall short. Please, we take these rules very, very seriously. Now, moving forward to the certification requirements. Number one, a minimum of 80% attendance is required to qualify for certification. If you do not attend our classes, at least 80% of our class, you're at risk. You're going to be disqualified for certification. So even if you attend 75.5, 79.999, the requirement here is a minimum of 80% attendance is required. So please ensure that you attend classes as at when due. Failure to meet the attendance threshold may result in disqualification. I already said that if you do not meet the attendance threshold, you are at risk at being disqualified. You will be disqualified. You will be disqualified. Your commitment and consistency are key to your success in this program. I already mentioned all of this. If you're committed, if you're not committed, if you're not consistent, you will, there's no way, even generally in life, if you're not committed to what you're doing and you're not consistent with what you're doing, there's no way you're going to succeed in that thing. So now this is also important to us. For your certification, you need to be committed and consistent with the programs that we are offering. Now, I'm going to introduce our Academy facilitators, some of our Academy facilitators. Here we have Mr. Michael Tomiwa. He's a software engineer. Michael Tomiwa is a software engineer with over 5 years of experience, focusing on backend engineering. I mean, he has worked with several teams and helped organizations to build scalable applications. He also enjoys sharing knowledge and helping others grow in their professional career. So Mr. Michael Tomiwa is our lead software engineer here. Now we have Mr. Jamu Muritala. He's also a software engineer. Mr. Jamu is a software engineer. He's a third-party consultant at MTN Group, South Africa, with previous experience as an intern at MTN head office, Johannesburg. So this is Mr. Jamu. He's also our software engineer here. He'll be taking the classes. Now we have Mr. Oluwafemi, DevOps and Cloud Infrastructure Engineer. Oluwafemi is a DevOps and Cloud Infrastructure Engineer at Ethos, also serving as a junior platform engineer at MTN with expertise in Kubernetes, Microsoft Azure, and OpenShift. So we have a lot of them here. There's also a software engineer here. Now we have Mrs. Ebunlomo Adekunle. She's a QA tester. Mrs. Ebunlomo Adekunle is a QA tester with Atos, a French multinational tech company and one of the leading firms in tech with branches spread across the globe. I mean, you can see that we have our tutors here. They are great. So you rest assured that what you're going to be getting is premium and high quality. So now on the QA team also, we have Mrs. Kende Adetayo. Kende Adetayo is an ISTQB certified software civil SK engineer committed to confirming the proper functionality and usability of software products. You can see that we also have Mrs. Yvonne Akini, the QA engineer also. Yvonne Akini is a seasoned quality assurance engineer. She graduated from one of the best software testing camps, and she currently works with a major multinational as a software tester with various certifications to her name. Next, we have Mrs. Naomi Oguneye. She's also a QA engineer. Naomi Oguneye is a dedicated QA and a test engineer with extensive technical experience in developing test automations, tools, and execution. She's a QA engineering procedures. We have a lot. We have like skilled tutors, guys. Now we have Mr. David Bankole. He's a business analyst. Mr. David Bankole is a business analyst with a global mindset and a proven track record of 5 years plus in driving strategic business solutions, adept at bridging the gap between business needs and technology capabilities, bringing a wealth of experience in analyzing complex data, optimizing processes, and delivering actionable insights. Okay, and next we have Miss Oluwadunsin Faith, the Scrum Master. Okay, Oluwadunsin is an excellent communicator and motivator with the ability to persuade management and team members, experienced in eliciting and collaborating with stakeholders, analyzing business processes with excellent problem solving skills. Guys, we have the bomb. We have all here. And next we have Mr. Yusuf Balogun. He's also a Scrum Master here in Septa Academy. He's an experienced IT project manager and certified Scrum Master with a proven track record of delivering results in high performance environments across Africa. Excuse me. Guys, these tutors are well equipped. They are going to equip you all with anything and everything you need. And that's why we always advise our students to ask questions in class. I see you all raising your hands. Yes, I'll get to that part where you have to ask questions. I see you all raising your hands. So hold on, we'll get to that part where you ask questions, guys. Okay, I'm so sorry for that break in transmission. So for those of you that are just joining us, I will quickly do a recap for those of you joining us, and we will rush down to the questions that you all have. I see all of you raising your hands. Yes, I see you. I'm going to answer your questions. But for those that are just joining us, I'm just going to quickly run through again for them. So because of time, I'm just going to start here. Septa Academy, guys, welcome. For those of you that are just joining us, you are glad. I see you. I see you. I see you. Thank you. For those of you that just joined us, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much for choosing Septa Academy. Thank you for doing this journey with Septa Academy. We are glad, we are happy that you chose us. Yes, I see all of you. Thank you so much. My name is Messi Osamota, and I will go through this slide once again. Now, Septa Academy, we are offering you industry relevant courses from foundational to advanced level. That's what we're going to be offering you here. Premium from foundational, like from the scratch to the advanced level. That's what we are going to be offering you here in Septa Academy. And we have an LMS. We have a learning management system where students can seamlessly enroll in self-paced and instructor-led courses. You can enroll, you can track your progress, you can earn certification across various disciplines. Whatever course you're going to be taking, on the LMS, you're going to be able to track your progress by yourself. So that's the advantage of the LMS that we have built here in Septa Academy. So, quickly, a warm welcome to all of you. All of you, our outstanding scholarship awardees. Your dedication, your hard work, your passion have set you apart, and we are thrilled to have you as part of our community. Welcome once again. So now, this is not just a scholarship. This is not just a scholarship for you. This is an opportunity to grow. This is an opportunity to learn. This is an opportunity to make lasting impact. You have to maximize this opportunity. It is not just a scholarship that you just, no. This is an opportunity. It's a once in a lifetime opportunity. Remember, we had over 1,000 plus applicants. The fact that you're here is a sign that you have to maximize this opportunity. And we believe in you. We look forward to seeing you thrive in this cohort. So now, obviously, I'm going to run you through what Septa Academy, what information you're going to be getting, and how we're going to be supporting you through your academic career, what resources you have access to, and how you can get involved with the Septa network. So welcome once again. We are glad to have you all here. Okay, so now it's not like it's not a hidden thing. We know that the oil money now is tech. Tech is the oil money, is the new money, and it's here to stay. It is here to stay. I mean, in organizations now, we see organizations laying off staff just to replace them with robots, with AI. So you already know that the future is here, and that is tech. So the money now is here. And in 2050, technology is going to be in all aspects of the world. It's going to be everywhere. It's going to be in the health industry. It's going to be in the government. It's going to be in the schools. It's going to be everywhere. It's going to be entertainment. It's going to be even in farming, agriculture. Technology is going to take over. We know that. And this time now, is the best time to be part of this future that is here already. And that's why you're taking this bold step with Septa, and we are glad to have you here. We are happy to be part of your incoming success. Well, success story already. We know, because we know that it's a success already. Okay, now I'm just going to, so because of time, I'm going to read just two of our success stories, just to give you an insight of people that have passed through our scholarship. We have a lot, but I'll just have to read two of this for those that are just joining us. So we have Michael Akinde. 3 years ago, Michael Akinde was a struggling youth corper in Lagos with no tech knowledge. His dream of working in technology seemed impossible until he received the Septa Academy scholarship and enrolled in a software development course. Through structured mentorship, hands-on projects, and global networking, he mastered programming. Excuse me. Within a year, he secured a remote internship with South Africa tech company, which led to a contract role as a software engineer. We can see that this is Michael Akinde from our last cohorts, from our last scholarship. And now here we have Aisha Bello. Aisha Bello had always been a natural organizer, but without formal training, she struggled to land a career in project management. When she received the Septa Academy scholarship, she took a bold step and enrolled in the project management course. She mastered Agile and Scrum, gaining practical experience through real-world projects. Equipped with these skills, she secured her first role as a project coordinator in a top Nigerian firm. So I can keep talking about these testimonials. I mean, we have a lot, but because of time, I would like to move. So now, for those that were not here earlier, Septa programs, what do we offer? What programs do we offer? We offer project management, software development, business analysis, software testing. And quickly, I'll brush through what you're going to be learning in all of these courses. For project management, you're going to be learning introduction to project management, traditional project management, agile project management, Scrum, to Jira and Confluence. So if you're someone who loves to lead, you love to lead roles, you're always wanting to manage people, you're always wanting to manage projects, this is the perfect fit for you. You don't have to know how to code. Just manage people, manage projects, make sure that they succeed. You always want to see them succeed. This is a perfect fit for you. So for software development, you're going to be learning HTML, CSS animation and transitions, JavaScript, DOM manipulation projects. So now, for project software development students, if you're someone who wants to build, you want to create something, you want to be part of the team that creates and build software, anything, this is a perfect fit for you. And with your dedication, you have to be dedicated, because it might seem difficult at first, but trust me, with our instructors, it's going to be easy peasy for you, because we have strong instructors here. So now for business analysis, you're going to be learning introduction to business analysis, enterprise analysis, business process analysis, data analysis and modeling, automation, frameworks, and best practices. So for business analysis, this particular one is for people who love to ask why. Why is this chair bent? Why is my bag like this? It can be better. If you know you always have better ways of doing things, this is a perfect fit for you. If you're always asking, why is this road crooked? Why is it thing like this? Why is it looking like that? This is a perfect fit for you. And you like to find solutions to problems. This is a perfect fit for you. Now for QA testing, that's for software testing. You're going to be learning introduction to software testing, software development lifecycle, manual testing, and API testing. Now, if you're a detail-oriented person, if you love details, if you love to find error, You love to see that, oh, this is not how this thing is supposed to be. This is not how this is supposed to look. It's supposed to be like this. If you're detail-oriented, this course is the perfect fit for you. Now, Septa ground rules. These ground rules, we do not take them lightly. We do not take them lightly. Yes, I see your hands. I'm going to answer your questions. We will get to that part. Yes, I see all of you, please. Punctuality is key. I'm just going to run through these ground rules again. Punctuality is key. You have to be on time. You have to be in class on time. Active participation, engage in classes, in class discussions, ask questions, and contribute. Respect and professionalism. We expect you to respect. You are to respect. We do not condone disrespect here. Assignment and tasks. Complete all assigned tasks and projects as required. You are to do these things. No distractions. Keep your microphone muted when not speaking and avoid unnecessary background noise. Please make sure that when you're in class, you mute your mic when you're not speaking, and when you're speaking, ensure that your background is not unnecessarily noisy. Consistent engagement. So regularly check updates, materials, and announcements on Slack. That's very, very important. You are to turn on your notification on the Slack channel so as to get notified on any of the information that we're going to be passing. It could be updates, materials, or anything at all. So use the right channel. The right channel here is Slack. If you have anything you want to say, any class-related inquiries, please use the right channel. That is Slack. You can message an instructor or the admin there on Slack. So if you're unable to attend a session due to an unavoidable emergency, please send an email to dunsin@septasoftware.com at least 24 hours before the scheduled class. So we understand the realities of things and how things can be, but we also want you to be accountable of how you behave. If you know that, oh, you're not going to make this class, please send us a mail at least 24 hours before the scheduled class. Access to the next training session will not be granted if you fail to complete all assessments, and all assessments must be attempted before the specified due date. So please ensure that these rules, you do not break them, because they are very, very important. Now, certification requirements. This is also very much important to us. A minimum of 80% attendance is required to qualify for certification. So if you do not attend our class a minimum of 80%, please, you are at risk of being disqualified for certification. So failure to meet the attendance threshold may result to disqualification. I just said that also. So if you do not meet the attendance threshold, you might be disqualified. Your commitment and consistency are key to your success in this program. There's no success without commitment and consistency. So please, we want you here to succeed. We want all of you to succeed. Therefore, you have to be committed and consistent in whatever your assignment, your project, whatever it is you're doing in class. So, okay. Here we have Mr. Michael, he's a software engineer. Here we have Mr. Jamiu Moritala, he's a software engineer as well. We also have these are our facilitators or tutors. We have Mr. Oluwaseun Oluwafemi, he's also a software engineer. We have Mr. Mrs. Ebolomo Adekunle, QA tester, Kehinde Adetayo, QA engineer, Yvonne Akini, QA engineer. We have Mrs. Naomi Ogunai, QA engineer. We have Mr. David Bankole, business analyst, and we have Miss Oluwadunsi Faith, Scrum Master. We have Mr. Yusuf Balogu, Scrum Master. So now let's move forward to questions and answer. I see a lot of hands are being raised. So please, I can now answer your questions. If you have any question, you can ask any question that you have now. Yes, I see you, Miss I see you. If you have any question, I see you, Mr. Mr. Solomon, please. I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing that name wrong. You can go on. Mr. Solomon, you can go on. You can ask your question. Okay, I think Mr. Solomon, if Mr. Iyada, you can ask your question. I can't hear. Can you guys hear me? If you can hear me, please drop a hi in the comment section. Okay, please, if you have any questions, I've been seeing hands being raised since. So if you have any question, please ask. I'm here to answer your questions. You're not asking questions, though. Mr. DBC, you can go on with your question. You can unmute yourself and ask questions, guys. I expect you to ask questions, though. Yes, I can hear you.
Thank you for the session on all of the ground rules and just to set it.
You're welcome.
What's the duration of the training? Is it going to be like? Is it going to be? What are the
Okay, so Mr. Solomon, please hold on your question. I want to get my speaker on. It's misbehaving. So just hold on, give me 2 seconds. Okay, so Mr. Solomon, go on, please. I can hear you now. Mr. Solomon, you can go on now. I can hear you perfectly.
Okay. So I was asking what the duration of the program, what the program said, how long it will run, what for the different learning tracks, how different tracks, so that is it also possible for if someone is interested in 2 different learning tracks, can someone combine, or I just wanted those clarifications.
Okay, so first, the duration of the course is 3 months, and we're going to communicate the date, the time for your sections. So that's why we want you to turn on your notification on Slack channel so that you get, because we want you to be in class. So duration is 3 months, and the time and dates will be communicated. So for having multiple classes, no, you can't enroll for multiple classes. And how you're going to be tracking your courses, we are going to be having an onboarding call. We will notify you on that also. I think that will be next week. So we'll notify you on that to teach you or to put you through on how you can use the element, how you're going to get on board, and the courses. You'll be able to pick your courses. You pick the course that you're taking, and then we'll take it from there. Are you okay, Mr. Solomon?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, please, I expect more questions. I was hearing someone saying something. Yes, you can unmute and ask your question. Iyada, go on. You go on, please. Unmute and ask your question. Liba Ibrahim, go on. Unmute and ask your question. Mr. Chima, go on, please.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Thanks for my question is simply, I wanted to probably or it won't be scheduled in the evening. I don't know how it will be. I'm not going to get up there.
Okay.
But I think it's more complicated than that. Just one.
Okay, so for your classes, it's going to be a weekend class because we know the reality of some of us that might be working right now, and that's why it's going to be on weekend. So the classes are going to be on a weekend.
Okay.
You're welcome, sir. Okay, you can go on, Mr. Joseph Andrew. Hello. Yes, but very faintly. We can hear you very faintly.
Hi everyone, can you hear me?
Sorry, sir, please. You're on mute.
Okay, so
Joseph, I can hear you now. Yes, we're going to have live classes, and you can also learn from the elements. It's self-paced, so it's like you're having to you have an advantage because of the elements. So when you're enrolled, you can learn from the elements because you'll be assigned the courses and you have access to the courses. So you can also learn at your pace. And when you have live classes, we expect that you ask questions because we know that you have access to the. So classes are yes on weekends. Yeah. All right, thank you so very much. Okay, we have 8 more minutes to go. I'll take more questions. Please, if you have questions, just ask now.
good evening.
Evening, ma. All right.
I see you raising your hand. Just unmute and ask your
So the
question.
question is
My question is,
number one.
Mr. Arabo, I can't hear you, sir.
So the question is the first one. You noted that it is self-paced. So if some people are
I hear
less
you,
busy
sir.
and they follow the self-pace to the
Yada,
end,
Mr.
would
Yada,
it?
please, you can go on.
Okay, if some people are self-paced and they finish their own self-paced elements, as you have said earlier than the others, will they be certified
Yes, I can hear
ahead
you.
of the others? Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you, sir.
Okay, the question is, you noted that the courses are self-paced for the self-paced
Yes.
element of self-learning. So, if I am a first learner
No,
and I
you're not paying
completed mine
anything for
as soon as possible, will I be certified ahead of others?
this. No, no, don't worry. You're not paying anything. It's a scholarship, and we are true to our words.
Sorry, I wanted to.
Evening, ma.
Okay, sir.
The mode of learning, can we make use of phones or it has to be laptop?
So you have to have a laptop, and if you cannot join a class, because sometimes you'll be asked to share your screen, you know, so you have to have a laptop. But if sometimes you're not with your laptop, you can also join with your phone. But they must, because you have to. Sometimes you have to share your screen. So it's required of you to have a laptop, and but if you're not where you can use your laptop at the time, you can use your phone, but you need to have a laptop.
Good evening, ma.
Good evening, ma.
Mr. Solomon, please go on.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening.
Mr. Solomon, you can go on and ask your question. I
Good evening,
see
ma'am.
you
Can
raising
anyone
your hand.
hear me? Good evening. Hello.
Okay, I see your
You're
question
audible.
in
You're
the
audible.
Mr. Iyada. I don't know if I'm pronouncing your name. Please forgive me if I'm pronouncing it wrongly. So you're asking for those living in rural areas where power out, out. What am I seeing? I don't know. Okay, you're asking if we have a system in place for them not to fall behind. We cannot control that. Honestly, we cannot control that. But if your class is being recorded, you can have access to it for just a day. That is if your class is being recorded, but we do not guarantee that. Always make sure, always make sure. So that is where we see your commitment. That is where we're going to see your commitment. So please, we have just 2 more minutes to go. No, Septa Academy does not, we are not promising jobs. We are not promising job to anybody. But if there are opportunities and you're good, you pass, then we can say, okay, we can call you. That's why you need to be committed. We're not promising any job. It's a scholarship. What we're doing already is a lot, but we're not promising any job after this training. So please, you have to be committed. In case we have an opening, we can call you, we can employ you. Is
Good
there
evening,
anything
ma'am.
required from the scholarship student, or how we can make more profits or gain
All right. Good
when
evening,
we
ma.
offer this for free? What we love to impact, we love to give back. That's what we are doing. So there's nothing we're gaining. We're gaining what we love to do. We love to do this, and we're giving back to you guys by giving out this scholarship. So I know today someone has already asked this question earlier. Everything is for free to the end of this call. There's nothing we're asking you for. Nobody, Septa will not ask you for anything. We're not asking you for money. We just want you to be committed to this class. That's what we need from you. Your consistency and your commitment. That's all that we are asking from you. That's all we're asking from you. So any mail that says Septa wants you to pay so, that one is not our mail, please. Be careful. Okay. So now I cannot answer all of our questions
Good
here,
evening, ma.
and our time is fast spent.
Good evening, ma.
How many hours? So the duration of the class will be communicated. The duration of the class will be communicated. And that's why we chose the weekends, so that you would not say that, oh, I was at work and missed it. Mr. AO, I'm just going to give you 2 minutes, 1 minute, please. Go on and ask your question. You've been raising your hand, please. One
All
minute.
right. All right. Good evening,
Beautiful.
man.
Good evening, everyone.
Mr.
Good evening.
Adebi Oluwasegun,
Good evening.
say the truth now if you can.
Good evening, man.
Good evening. Please, I want to ask a question.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, but the other guy is interrupting.
Okay, in the absence of more questions, thank you so much, guys. We are very happy to have you all here. Like, we are so happy that you made it, and we are committed to making sure that you guys, before you leave this cohort, before you leave this training, you're going to go back well equipped. And we just want you to be committed to this training. Do not just take it as one of those scholarships out there. No, don't take it as one of those scholarships out there. Please ensure that you're committed to making this thing work for you, and we will be here every step of the way to guide you through and ensure that you make it, that you succeed. So the next section will be communicated. Please turn on your notifications. Please, we are asking that you turn on your notifications and ensure that you check it regularly, because that's where we are going to be dropping. Check your mails, check your Slack. Make sure that you're checking them regularly, because we'll be dropping information on our next class, on our next onboarding call. We're going to be dropping the information there. Thank you so much for joining us. The next onboarding call will be for the LMS. We're going to run you through how to use the LMS, how to onboard, and what you need. We're going to equip you on the next onboarding call. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us. Thank you so much, and welcome to Septa Academy, all of you. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of your evening.